Former President Jacob Zuma has officially launched legal action against the African National Congress and his successor, President Cyril Ramaphosa, challenging his recent expulsion from the party he once led. In court papers filed this week, Zuma seeks to overturn what he calls an unlawful and politically motivated decision to strip him of ANC membership, a move triggered by his decision to launch and lead a breakaway political movement, the Umkhonto weSizwe Party. The MK Party, in a scathing statement released on Thursday morning, described the ANC's disciplinary process as a kangaroo court, alleging it lacked fairness and integrity. Zuma, who has spent most of his life in the ANC, argues that his affiliation with the real ANC of Albert Luthuli, Oliver Tambo and Nelson Mandela cannot be revoked by what he referred as to sellouts and DA puppets like Ramaphosa and Fikile Mbalula, and said it was indeed the sellout of tendencies of these traitors which led to the formation of the MK Party on December 16, 2023, and the removal of the ANC from power 5 months later in the May 2024 elections. Zuma had previously threatened legal action after the ANC expelled him earlier this year, citing violation of his constitution for forming a rival party. The tension escalated further after the ANC entered into a government of national unity with long-term ideological opponents, including the Democratic Alliance and the Freedom Front Plus. The timing of Zuma's legal application filed on Freedom Charter Day was no coincidence. The Umkhonto weSizwe Party framed it as a symbolic move aimed at highlighting what it called the ANC's unforgivable betrayal of its liberation mandate, and said the ANC of Ramaphosa has reversed even the small gains achieved since 1994. The party reaffirmed its full backing of Zuma's legal challenge, expressing hope that the courts would reinstate his ANC membership. Such an outcome, it argued, would pave the way for greater unity among Black South Africans in what it described as a centuries-old struggle for total liberation and the return of land to its rightful owners. The party also justified its own constitutional provision allowing for dual membership, stating it was one of the strategies employed in pursuit of that dream of unity. Zuma's court bid is expected to test not only the internal dynamics of the ANC, but also the resilience of South Africa's broader political framework, now adjusting to a new era of coalition governance and increasing political fragmentation. What's your take on this one, people? Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more news.